Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. In this video we have this nice equation over here and we want to find x. So how then do we find x? Now if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell as well. Now we want to find x over here. So considering the left hand side, we can rewrite the left hand side knowing that when we have a exponent b, c, this is the same as a exponent b all exponent c. So knowing this property, we can rewrite this. So rewriting the left hand side in this form, we are going to have 2 exponent 2 all exponent x is equal to 8 exponent x. And then from here 2 exponent 2 gives 4. We are going to have 4 exponent x is equal to 8x. So from here we are going to divide both sides by 4 exponent x, 4 exponent x. So here 4 exponent x will take care of 4 exponent x, which will be left with 1 is equal to 8x over 4 exponent x. Now let me write this equation as 8x over 4 exponent x is equal to 1. So from here we want to use the Lambert W function, which states that the Lambert W function of x multiplying e to the power x is equal to x. So the Lambert W function simply means that when we have a function, say x, multiplying e to the power that same function, the result is going to be that same function, which is x. So x multiplying e to the power x is the same as x. Now by definition, when we have a, we can rewrite a as e to the power the length of a, which in the end will give us a, right? So when we have b, we can also rewrite b as e to the power the length of b, which will give us b. So here we want to write the denominator in this form so that we can get e in this equation over here. So doing that, we are going to have 8x over 4 exponent x is the same as e exponent the length of 4 exponent x is equal to 1. From here we are going to rewrite the left hand side knowing that when we have 1 over a is the same as a to the power negative 1. So when we bring this property over here, that means we are going to have 8x multiplying e to the power negative of length of 4 exponent x is equal to 1. And then from here we can divide through by 8. So 8 will take care of 8 and I'll be left with x multiplying e exponent minus ln 4x is equal to 1 over 8. Now looking at this, we can use the property of logarithm to write this in a different way. So for instance, if we have log of b exponent c, so this will be the same as c times log of b. So in this case, you have an exponent over here, so we can bring the exponent in front of the logarithm. Now let's do that. So we are going to have x multiplying e to the power minus x times the length of 4 is equal to 1 over 8. And then from here we are getting closer to the Lambert W function. But look at it very well. You can see that the function over here is not the same as the function over here. When you compare it with this one, you can see that the function over here is the same as the function over here. But in our case, the function over here is not the same as the function over here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to multiply through by negative of ln 4 so that we can make the top here to be the same as the down here. So multiplying through by negative of ln 4, we are going to have negative of x ln 4 e to the power minus x ln 4 is equal to minus ln 4 times 1 over 8. So let me clean this side. So let me write this very well. So we are going to have negative x times ln 4 multiplying e exponent minus x times ln 4 is equal to minus ln 4 over 8. So from here, when we compare this with the Lambert W function, we can see that the function over here is the same as the function at the top here, which implies that this will be equal to the function over here, same as this one. The function over here is the same as the function at the top here, so this will give us the same function. Now when you compare with this one, you can see that this matches the rule. Therefore we are going to have minus x ln 4 is equal to the Lambert W function of minus ln 4 over 8. So from here you want to make x the subject, so we can do that by dividing through by negative ln 4. So when we do that, we are going to have x is equal to w of negative ln 4 all over 8, or dividing negative of ln 4. And then from here, I'll recommend you to use Wolfram Alpha to do this calculation. When you enter this over there, you will see that the results will be equal to 2. So when you fix 2 over here, you are going to have 2 exponent 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 gives 4. So 2 exponent 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which gives 16. And then we have 8x. So 8x, we are going to have 8 times 2, and 8 times 2 is 16. So that means x is equal to 2 is a perfect answer for this equation. Thank you for watching.